So this wasn't supposed to happen. We came up here expecting rain, but the wind had other plans. I had to get up multiple times in the middle of the night just to keep our shelter standing. So let's take a step back and show you how we got here in the first place. Hey there guys, we're here and we're gonna camp. My brother's got his new rucksack. We've got all the new gear, so we're gonna try and build a shelter. We better find shelter for the night because the wind is already picking up. Temperatures are starting to drop and we still haven't found a suitable camping spot. Alright, here's a pretty good option. Look at this. The ground is flattish, you know, we can finish flattening it. Alright guys, so I can't get the shelter to take proper form. I'm getting really stressed. It's so annoying to do anything with this wind. Alright guys, so soon it's gonna be sunset and this is our small shelter for the night. This is what we're gonna pass the night with. It's sort of resisting wind. Alright guys, so I got the sleeping system out of the backpack and now we're gonna get everything in the tent real nice and cozy, and we're gonna try to fit the backpacks down in the bottom. So yeah, I'll see you now. Hey there guys, so we just put the backpacks at the bottom. I'm gonna light it up so you can see. Yeah, now we're gonna cook dinner. And leave it for like 3 minutes. Alright guys, we also have this tasty pesto sauce. I'm gonna put it right there. This is so nice to eat after a long day. Oh, that's really good. Here, you try. Hey there guys, we're already in our sleeping bags. This is a pretty nice setup. So now we're gonna go to sleep. So yeah, goodbye. I'll see you like in the middle of some midnight update. The wind was shaking the shelter like crazy and it's falling on us. Damn. Alright. I seem to have stabilized it a bit. So I'm gonna try to sleep again. I'll see you guys. Guys, the winds are absolutely wild. The sides of our tarp are basically somehow all caved in. And it's like pulling and blowing and just destroying our shelter. So I'm gonna get out quickly and try to like fix things up a bit. Alright guys, so I then stopped the shelter. And now I'm gonna get back in my sleeping bag. I put these stones and those stones. Now it should be better. Hey guys, it's 5 AM. And yeah, you can already see the current conditions. The wind hasn't stopped, but I actually slept a lot. I did sleep a lot, but I'm already gonna get up. Alright guys, it's really cold. And I'm really stoked for coffee. I can't wait. Thanks to my brother, we have a bit of chocolate, which is always nice. It's like Easter bunny. That's some nice chocolate. It's really nice and warm. Alright guys, so we have this Spanish dessert that's called polvorones, and they're really yummy. So you have to squish them. With coffee. It's starting to turn day, they're starting to be light, and we're gonna pick up right now because there's like some insane rain coming. So yeah, we gotta pick up before it starts pouring. We gotta say goodbye to the shelter, guys. Oh no, this is so sad, guys. This is so sad. Alright guys, so it's raining already. It's really misty and, you know, wet. Everything just got wet basically, so we're just gonna leave. We got everything packed up. My brother's already with his pack on, and we're gonna leave. So we'll see you guys now. Guys, look how mossy the stone has gotten with the rain. Look at all this. All moss. Alright guys, we just got home and we're absolutely destroyed, so we're gonna have breakfast, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye.